Are you curious about one of India's leading financial powerhouses? In this video, we deep dive into Bajaj Finance Ltd, exploring its diverse service, market dominance, and future growth potential. Stay tuned to uncover what makes this financial giant stand out in the industry. At first, we can see in the chart the growth of share price stopped in September 2021, and in last more than 3 years this share price of this company was in consolidation phase. And here you can see in uh, January last month, this company, a share price of this company has given breakout here. This is the breakout candle, and at present this company is here 8,391 rupees. Okay, so we understand that this growth is going to continue or not. Before moving further, this is disclaimer that I am not a SEBI registered advisor. I am creating this video for educational purpose only. At first, introduction, company overview. This company is a leading non-banking financial company, NBFC in India, primarily engaged in lending and deposit acceptance. And the parent company was Bajaj Finance. Finserv. Bajaj Finserv is a parent company of Bajaj Finance. Industry growth expectation. NBFC sector outlook. The Indian NBFC sector is poised for significant growth, driven by increasing demand for credit in retail, SME, and commercial segment. Whenever you go to any retail shop to buy a mobile or laptop or anything, you can see the agent of Bajaj Finance. They are everywhere. Regulatory environment. The RBI has been implementing stricter regulation to ensure financial stability, impacting NBFC operations. Now we talk about product and service of this company. Mainly there are 4 types of services: consumer lending, SME lending, commercial, and deposit. It offers personal loans, consumer delivery loans, and 2 and 3-wheeler financing. In SME lending, provides small business loan, loans against property, and construction equipment loans. When you talk about commercial lending, it includes services like lease, rental discounting, and vendor financing. Except public and corporate deposit, offering competitive interest rates. Market position among peers. The main competitor of this company is Mahindra and Mahindra. And market capitalization as of today, market cap is 5,23,333 crore rupees. It is large cap. We usually invest in mid cap and small cap, but we should invest in large cap as well. Unique selling point. Diversified portfolio, caters to a wide range of customer access across retail, SME, and commercial sectors. And extensive reach. This company reach is in not only in urban but also in rural areas. Innovative solution. This company is investing in technology to offer seamless digital lending experience. Current financial data. Stock performance. Current today closing price is 8,450 rupees, and today it increased from 0.5%. 52-week high. On 6th of this month, it had given 52, it had made 52-week high, 8,655 rupees. Recent news and development. Housing finance IPO on I think September 2024 it came. Bajaj Housing Finance. This is also a subsidiary of Bajaj Finance, and this company raised $782 million through an IPO, and this was the India's largest public offering in 2024. Q2 financial result was not good as per the expectation of the analyst. So some quarter may good, some quarter may not good. It is the part of the game. It is the part of the business. Business operations. Operational scale. As of March 2023, Bajaj Finance operates across 3,800 towns with 294 consumer branches and 497 rural locations, supported by over 33,000 distribution points. And revenue streams, major revenue generated from suppliers accessing their extensive customer base. Future growth potential. Climate finance intensive. In last year, November month, partnered with the International Finance Corporation to secure $400 million aimed to expanding access to climate finance in India, focusing on electric vehicle and energy efficient consumer goods. And digital expression, I already told you that it plans to enhance digital lending platform to cater to tech-savvy consumers. Now jumping to 10th point, that is risk and challenges. It is also crucial. Before buying the share, we must understand the risk point. Stricter RBI regulation may impact operational flexibility. This is the main risk. Second is asset quality concern. Rising non-performing assets could affect profitability. And third is market competition. Intense competition from other financial institutions may pressure margin. These were the challenges and risk. Now we talk about the conclusion. Strategic outlook. Bajaj Finance Limited continues to strengthen its market position through diversification, technological innovation, and strategic partnership, aiming for sustainable growth in India's dynamic financial landscape. Now, this is the time for call to action. Yes. So, thank you so much to all of you for joining us on this comprehensive journey through Bajaj Finance Limited. If you found this analysis insightful, please give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth financial analysis. Stay informed and make smart investment choices. Thank you again. Thank you so much.